Another day, another story. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download a variety of styles from the website. These styles include blogs, cards, hover effects, stylish buttons, product cards, and many more. I'll also provide the code links in the video description so you can follow along with me. First, let's go to freefrontend.com. This website has a lot of free resources for web developers, including styles for different elements. Once you're on the home page, you can use the search bar to find the specific style that you're looking for. For example, let's search for product cards. As you can see, there are a lot of results for product cards. You can click on any of these results to see more information about the style, including a preview and the code. Once you find a style that you like, click on the download button below the preview image. And that's it. You now know how to download a variety of styles from Free Frontend. Don't forget to check out the video description for the code links and other helpful resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.